basically, there was a butterfly in this room, right?
Yeah.
Flying
About somewhere over here.
We'll go with chase after it. That's the road part.
No.
But Casper woke up and ate it. Instantly got it and ate it. It was a bit gross.
Finally, they reached the castle. The hard way. This was the biggest adventure of their lives. Forgotten was their hunger, forgotten was their fear. It took courage to scale these massive steps, to make this journey into the unknown. But these stout-hearted lads never faltered. 3 minds with but a single thought. What mystery lurked within those cold, forbidding walls? What strange spell hovered over this gloomy place? Will no one answer? Are they walking into a trap? Do they go in?
You know, you could stand some rehearsal on this story.
Inside, the tremendous hall was as silent as a tomb. Not a sign of life anywhere.
Caught with his pants, Charlie.
In a bit.
Caught with his pants,
Charlie.
Anastasia.
It was shocking.
They gazed in
No,
speechless
Anastasia.
almost afraid
Do
to
not
move.
ignore because you'll get in trouble.
Suddenly they
Come
looked
here
up.
now.
What was it?
Come here now.